For us, Startup Autobahn is the innovation platform to really connect corporates and startups and create something completely new.
It's a great place, a good platform, in a fantastic location at Porsche to attract startups from all over the world to connect with corporates.
For us, being able to see all the different pitches, to understand where people want these new companies to go is hugely important for us.
It's a sense of motivation for us to actually impress these companies. But what's also really, really awesome is these companies don't treat us like we are like a small company. They see us like a part of their family, and that's the whole idea of this Startup Autobahn.
We don't see us as a huge company, so we of course are a small car manufacturer, and by this we try to improve our processes, be fast and adapt to their processes and learn from them.
Coming to today's Startup Autobahn event, we found it hugely inspirational. Drone sits quite close to what we do with automated vehicles. In our case, we are doing racing and the development of technology through racing with automated driving systems. But drones are right beside that, and for us it's fantastic to be able to meet these companies, to see all the latest developments from around the world.
The final objective is really to find new technologies, so we need to find the unknown unknowns and really bring something on the street, and that's the ultimate goal. And we are very lucky because next year we will launch a couple of technologies in our new Mission E.